fact that quantum physics has come across the consciousness, and as many physicists say, you need a conscious observer for the wave function to collapse into one reality. Without the conscious observer, there's just a quantum wave, a wave of possibilities, which all exist at the same time. So for me, really, I think going back to our theology, the ultimate conscious observer is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the ultimate conscious observer of the universe. So I think here, personally, Allah knows best, but quantum physics have come across, when they've gone very, very deep into the subatomic realm, to the deepest, the very, very minuscule subatomic realm, they've come to the heart of the matter, which is that there is a conscious observer for the universe, and that conscious observer ultimately is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's why you don't have a multiverse. The multiverse is the infinite different quantum possibilities of the universe. But only one of them exists in reality because you have that ultimate observer, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.